Jumeirah Village Circle is a freehold master development by Nakheel situated alongside Sheikh Zayed Road, the main highway running the length of Dubai. JVC is built over an area of over 870 hectares and divided into 6 districts. The housing here consists of large villas, townhouses and apartments, and whilst you can find fully occupied properties here, there is also a lot of construction activity going on. Dubai Sports City or DSC, a multi-venue sports complex in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, developed by Dubai. It provides a mix of residential, retail, leisure and recreational facilities. It is built around 5 major sports venues and features a number of sports academies. Dubai Production City, formerly known as International Media Production Zone, is a free zone and freehold area that caters to media production companies in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Jumeirah Village Triangle, JVT, starting as a ghost town to being one of the most densely populated areas in Dubai, Jumeirah Village Triangle, JVT, has emerged as one of the most ambitious projects with brilliantly developed plans. The area is strategically developed between Mohammed bin Zayed Road, E311, and Nakheel Road, E44, allowing an easier commute towards other central locations of the emirate.